Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today under the bridge course we are going to learn some important topics such as what is digestion, what is digestive system, different parts of digestive systems, function of these parts and how digestive system works, and all these topics are important for your coming academic year. So please pay attention to all this topic and watch this video carefully.
So first of all, you all know we need energy to do various tasks in our day-to-day life, and this energy comes from food. But do you get energy in a few moments after eating food? No. Let's see why it happens. Okay. So the food we eat cannot be used directly by our body cells. So the food we eat needs to be broken down into simpler substances and to be absorbed by the blood, and this process is called digestion. Okay children, see in the picture, this is the whole process that takes place when we eat food. So first, food enters from mouth and goes to esophagus, that is food pipe. After that it goes to stomach. After that it goes to small intestine and large intestine, and the waste come out from the anus. Next is the digestive system. Many organs work together and help in digestion. So, the set of organs that help in the process of digestion forms the digestive system. The main organs of the digestive system of our body are mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Now see in the picture of human digestive system, it has mouth, food pipe, also known as esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay. Now let's have a look on these organs one by one. So first is mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. In fact, digestion starts before you take your favorite food. Like, take an example. If your mother places a favorite dish on the table in front of you, so first when you see it, smell it, or even when you imagine the taste of that meal, at the time the salivary glands secretes saliva. Secretes means, or you can say release. So salivary glands secretes saliva, and this salivary glands present in the mouth pour saliva, which converts starch into sugar. That is, which converts a complex carbohydrate to a simple carbohydrate. So children, see in the picture, as you can see, the salivary glands that secretes saliva in the mouth. After that, what happens? Yes, the first, when we take a bite of the food, our incisor teeth and our molar teeth both helps in chewing the food. That is, the molar teeth crack and grind the food into more smaller pieces. After that, the tongue helps in mixing saliva with the food particles and swallow the chewed food to food pipe. So next is food pipe, which is also known as, yes, esophagus. The food goes to the food pipe, passed to the stomach. Okay. Now the food has passed on to the stomach, and stomach is like a muscular bag. If you see in the picture, it will look like a letter J. the inner layer of the stomach releases digestive juices. These juices helps in the digestion of the food. Food is churned and mixed with digestive juices. Okay, now see in the picture? Yes, here is the stomach. Okay. Now the food is mixed with digestive juices, and after mixing it, it becomes like a thick soup which passes into small intestine. But at the same time, the liver release bile and pancreas release enzymes which passes into small intestine and which helps the food to digest. So let's have a look on liver and pancreas in more detail. So liver. The liver is the largest organ of our body. It produces bile. Bile helps digest fats in the small intestine. So children, see in the picture, the organ that is highlighted in the yellow color is liver. See in the picture, in the center of the liver, the blue circle. Can you see it? This is a gallbladder. The gallbladder release bile in this small intestine. Okay. Next is pancreas. The pancreas produces, releases, whatever you say. So pancreas releases pancreatic juices, and these juices helps to digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins in the small intestine. Okay, now see in the picture. Yes, this here is the pancreas. Okay. The next is small intestine. So small intestine is the longest organ of the body. Okay, largest is liver, but the longest is the small intestine. Okay, so the food mixture from the stomach, the bile from the liver and the enzymes from the pancreas comes into small intestine. Okay, see here. Here is the small intestine, as you can see. Now, the bile releases from the liver and the enzymes release from the pancreas into the small intestine, which helps in complete digestion of nutrients. Okay. The digested nutrients absorbed by the blood vessels in the walls of a small intestine. The nutrients contained blood is passed to other body parts through the blood vessels. So children, in the simple language, we can say that all the nutrients from the food is absorbed by the blood vessels, that is, in the walls of small intestine, and the blood which contains nutrients is passed to all other body parts through blood vessels, and the undigested food goes into large intestine. So next is large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the extra water and carries it to the kidneys. The remaining solid undigested waste is thrown out from the anus. Okay, now see here in the picture. Okay, see here, this is the picture of a large intestine. So children, what you conclude here? Yes, that the digestive system is a very important part of our body. Without it, we can't get the essential nutrients which are needed for our proper growth and good health. So this was all about digestive system.
Is taken in through the mouth. It is chewed and mixed with saliva in the buccal cavity. Saliva is a digestive juice secreted by the salivary glands. The chewed food enters into the food pipe or esophagus and is then slowly pushed into a bag-like structure called stomach. The stomach also secretes mucus, digestive juices, and hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria in the food and makes the food acidic. The food then goes into a highly coiled tube called small intestine. The small intestine receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. The liver secretes bile juice, while the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. The walls of the small intestine also secrete juices which help in further digestion of food. The inner surface of the small intestine has finger-like projections called villi. The villi have extensive network of blood vessels. The digested food is then passed into the blood vessels. The undigested food is passed into the large intestine. It is wider than the small intestine. Excess of water and salts are absorbed here, and undigested waste is passed out of the body through the anus.
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.